Hi guys, this is Daniel from FND. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get GTA Grove Street Snapchat filter. In this filter, we can see the characters from GTA San Andreas moving and talking with each other in augmented reality. This filter is trending in Instagram, TikTok and Snapchat. This is the Snapchat filter, so you need to install Snapchat on your phone. Let's see how to use this filter. First, you need to install Snapchat on your mobile. Go to Play Store and install Snapchat. If you already installed Snapchat, then you need to update the app. If it is already up to date, then open the app. Select the camera option in your Snapchat, then select the effects option. In the top left corner, you can see the search icon on that and search for Grove Street and select the Grove Street World by Nikita Treshalov. Now you can see the GTA characters moving and talking to each other in your camera. Scale and place your GTA character according to your surface. You can also rotate the character by pressing with one finger and rotating with other. You can also move the camera and be creative with your video. Now to record the video, press and hold the record button. After recording, the video starts to play. Now to save it, press the save button in the bottom to save this snap. After saving the snap, you can find the saved snap over here and select the recently saved snap and download it to your storage. So by this method, you can create the trending GTA Grove Street, TikTok and Instagram reels. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials like this. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.